Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive your notes from Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unarchive your archived notes into Google Keep, you just simply have to open this Keep Notes application into your device. Then after that, this homepage will appear. Now you just simply have to tap into these three bars into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see this archive option. Just simply tap into that archive option, and then after tapping into there you will see all of your archive notes. Now in order to unarchive those, you just simply have to open any of the notes which you want to unarchive, and this unarchive option will appear into the top right corner. Just simply tap into that option, and then your notes will successfully be unarchived into Keep Notes. This way, you can easily unarchive your archived notes into Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.